Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna do a unboxing of my new Freedom Couture wig. So it's literally been sitting in the packaging for like a week and a half because I really wanted to open it on camera. So now is finally the time. So let's just go ahead and open it. So this is the box. And I actually thought it was gonna come in the rose gold packaging. Not that it really matters, but I just don't remember. I thought, like, for some reason I was expecting the rose gold one. Okay, so I got this during her flash sale, and that's why I thought the flash sale had like a different box. Or maybe it's a gold box, whatever. Anyway, so I got this during the flash sale because honestly her wigs are really expensive and I can't afford to pay thousands of dollars for a wig. So when she had her sale, I'm like, okay, I think this is like, I have to pounce on this opportunity and get this wig. It was like still really expensive, but a lot more, like I can kind of justify it a little bit more in my eyes because I've spent this much before on like extensions and stuff like that. So I'm like, okay, we're gonna just do this. It's a sale, so okay, can I just show you that the box is like squished? I know that's like not her fault, but DHL, what the friend, man? In my box. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. La la la. So I wanted to smell it because in her Instagram stories and stuff, she's always spraying them with spray before she puts them in the box. So let's see. It says, I promise, love at first sight. That's cute. It smells nice. I don't know what to say it smells like. Okay. So let's get the bag out. Oh my god, I'm like nervous. I'm nervous to see it. Let's open it. So this is the one I got. Oh yeah, and I forgot she gives you a wig cap, which is good. Okay, so this is the one I got. It's called I think it's called the King Kylie Platinum Long Bob. Woo! There she is with her curls. So this is what the front looks like, and then you can see the inside. There's two combs, the combs, and then the clips in the back, and the elastic band. Okay, so now I'm gonna go put it on, and I'll be right back. So I was just about to put it on. First of all, I love the stocking cap. It feels so secure. I haven't tried one of these kinds before and I really like it, so I want to get more of these. But yeah, I was looking at the stitching before I was about to put it on, and I kind of just want to take a moment and show you guys this stitching on here. So I'm just gonna kind of zoom in here. So you can see here the stitching is just a little bit inconsistent in the way that it's done. I know that these are stitched by hand, but still, if you look at this is starting to fall off already and I haven't even worn it yet. The stitching is just kind of like a very basic once over stitching. As same thing you can see here. Not that it's falling off, but again with the once over stitching. Also, the thing with these clips, these aren't the highest quality clips that you can get, and just saying, if you're paying designer prices for a wig, you kind of expect designer construction and high quality products, materials to be used. So just a thing to keep in mind. I'm just showing you the stitching over here as well. Again, just a little bit inconsistent. This is really bothering me here. And that's just me being picky. Like, the way these clips are sewn on, like this is how I used to sew clips onto my old extensions. When I would do it quickly, I'd be like, oh, I just need to get these clips on. You know what I mean? I've seen clips sewn on better. Just saying. Okay. So now I'm going to finish putting this on. I'll be right back. Okay, so I just popped the wig on. I didn't do too much to it at all. I was about to start brushing through it, and I'm like, wait, well, let's just go through all this together on camera. So I did cut off a little bit of the lace just so it wasn't in my eyes. So it was just like a little bit like that, but I still left some lace at the top. I'm going to cut it closer to the hairline, but I'm going to do that a little bit later. I kind of want to like go through that with smaller scissors and be really careful about it. First thoughts, I am so happy I got a medium. For some reason I thought I was going to be a small because I measured as a small, but I was kind of in between a small and a medium, and I'm glad I got the medium size. So maybe if you're in between sizes, go for the size up. I think that's the smartest thing to do because you can always cut it down if it's a little bit too big in some areas. Also, I don't love how how this is showing. And I don't know how to fix that per se, like, because the elastic band is kind of pulling the hairline back. And I feel like if it wasn't there, it would kind of sit more forward. So I might experiment wearing it without the elastic band because I kind of want it to be like that. You know what I mean? Like, why is my hair showing? I do really like the hairline, and let's check that out. Okay, so this situation definitely needs work, but the hairline looks really nice, like as in like the hairline itself is natural. I really like how this wig is 120 density, which I feel like is a very natural amount of hair. It's not that much hair, and I feel like it makes the wig look more natural. You know what I mean? I don't think I showed you all of the length of it. It's actually a really cute length. I like it. But yeah, the wig does feel really secure. I like the elastic band method. This is my first wig having an elastic band, and it does feel super secure. Like, I'm not pulling that hard. I feel like if I pulled too hard, it would come off. But I just kind of want to show you how the hairline looks if I potentially did like a half up thing. Look at these curls. The hair is like a little bit dry, but I think it's just the product that's in it. Okay, so I'm not going to do anything to this hair in this video. I just wanted it to be strictly like an unboxing first impression. So this is what the wig looks like out of the box. This is kind of what you get. I'll do other videos with this wig on the things I do to it, and maybe I'll fix this situation. You'll see other videos how I style it. Maybe I'll dye it. I don't know. I'm thinking like maybe a baby pink. We'll see. So if you guys want to see more videos, subscribe. So my final impression, is it worth the money? I don't know, guys. It is a really nice wig, and she does make really pretty wigs, but the price is a bit much. I don't know. I say, personally, I would say save your money. I don't know if it's worth the money. I have one. I wanted to see it for myself, and I don't know. I don't know. Like, you can get really nice wigs for a lot less, to be quite honest. So yeah, I'm going to wrap up the video there. Hopefully it was informative and you guys found it helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave them in the comments below, and like this video if you liked it. And please subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, if you want to see what I do to this hair. And if you guys have any tips for my wig situation, let me know in the comments down below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!